Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the exact parts and cutting straight to installation. First, power the unit off and remove the access panel so you can work safely. Once exposed, test fit the bracket and position the coin acceptor so the coin path clears by about 0.5 inch. This prevents rubbing. Then secure the acceptor with the supplied screws while you keep wiring accessible. Finally, label the harness ends if not already labeled to avoid confusion in the next step. Now wire and configure the acceptor carefully. Follow pin labels and connect ground, power, signal, and inhibit lines. Once powered briefly to test, adjust jumpers for the coin size and sensitivity so genuine coins register while slugs are rejected. Then route and fasten the chute to prevent misfeeds and secure any anti-stringer tabs. Make small calibration passes with real coins, checking signal pulses on a multimeter finish by reinstalling the access panel and running a controlled 10-coin test. Make sure the meter or controller increments correctly and the machine accepts the intended denominations. Once done, set final thresholds so rejects stay below your acceptable rate, for example 5%. If you experience jams or misreads, stop and clean the optical or magnetic sensors, realign the coin head, and check supply voltage under load. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.